Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creating a Christmas platformer in Scratch 3.0. This is the part 1 of the tutorial. So now let's get started. First you can draw the sprites, the player and the platforms. Then we'll start with the code of the player. When the flag is clicked, that means when the project is started, we'll create a new variable named gravity, another new variable named y-velocity. Okay. Now we'll set gravity to 0 and we'll also set y velocity to 0 in the beginning. Go to x60 and y20. Forever, inside forever we'll put if else block. In the if else block we'll go to operators and we'll take or. In the first cell of or we'll put the less than sign and the second one key up arrow pressed. So if y velocity less than 4 or up arrow key pressed, change y velocity by -1, else change y velocity by -2. Change y by y velocity. Now we'll create a new block named position properly. Okay. Now we'll define this block position properly later onwards. Now let's continue with our code. So after change y by y velocity, we'll put position properly if block. We'll go to sensing and we'll take if touching platforms. Then we'll take the block position properly. Now we'll take two if blocks. Now we'll make a new variable named walk, direction and steps. Okay. Now we'll define this block later onwards. So let's continue with our code. If key right arrow pressed, we'll walk in direction 90, 6 steps, and if left arrow pressed, we'll walk in direction -90, that means to the left, -7 steps. If key up arrow pressed, that means if we are wanting to jump. If block inside the if else block, we'll take the block and in the first cell of and we'll put the equals to sign and the second one we'll put the less than sign. Now we'll create a new variable named jump key pressed. Okay. Another new variable named falling. If jump key pressed equals to 0 and falling less than 3, then set y velocity to 14. Also set falling to 6. Then third one, set jump key pressed to 1. Else set jump key pressed to 0. Now we'll define the blocks. So first we'll define position properly. Change falling by 1. Repeat until we'll go to operators not touching platforms. Repeat until not touching platforms. We'll take the if else block from controls and in the cell we'll put. So before making the cell we'll add a boolean input named up. So if up, then we'll go to the motion section and we'll take the change y by -1. Else change y by 1. Now we'll go to variables and we'll take set falling to 0 and down we'll put set y velocity to 0. Now we will define the walk block. First we'll make a new variable named incline. Set incline to 0. We'll go to motions and we'll take the block change x by steps and we'll take point in direction. Okay. Now we'll go to the event section and we'll take the block repeat until. Now we'll go to operators and we'll take or block. In the first cell of or we'll put equals to and in the second one we'll put not. So repeat until incline equals to 8 or not touching our platforms. Now inside this repeat until block we'll go to motions and we'll take the block change y by 10. Change it to change y by 1, change incline by 1 from variable section, and we'll take the controls block, if block, equals to, in first cell of equals to, we'll put incline, if incline equals to 8, then we'll go to motions and we'll take change x by 10. Change x by 10 and change y by 10. So we'll put minus in both these. So change x by 0 minus steps and change y by 0 minus incline. Now, before testing out a project, there's an important thing to do. We have to edit this block as run without screen refresh or the project might not work. So this is very important. And also in the block position properly, we'll take the bigger than sign, and the first sign of bigger than sign we'll put y velocity bigger than 0. Now we can test out a project. We can walk up inclines, we can walk on the ground, we can jump, and we can also detect gravity, that means we can fall. We can detect ceilings, and we can also detect walls. So if you like the project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more such videos, don't forget to put the notification bell on. Bye, meet you next time.